Montrose Harbor, moving northeast at 20 knots. A report of wind gusts greater than 35 knots was received from Franklin Park. Some of the gusty winds will be ahead of the storms. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots and small hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Chicago Lakefront, Harrison Beaver, Crib, Wilmette Harbor, Montrose Harbor, Monroe Harbor, Belmont Harbor, Burnham Harbor, Diversey Harbor, and Deuceable Harbor. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects.